Hello students. Today we discuss about the asexual reproduction in Pelia or sporophyte of Pelia. So what is from which stage the sporophytic generation will be start? So after the formation of the zygote, the sporophytic generation will be start. So zygote is the first cells of the sporophyte, and the diploid zygote forms the diploid sporophyte. So the sporophyte actually it is present on the archegonial or the female sex organs. So the zygote formation is takes place in the female sex organs, and after the zygote the sporophytic generation start. So this is the first cells of the sporophyte. So this sporophyte is present on the archegonial gametophyte. The sporophyte is covered by the outer involucre and inner calyptra. So these for the protection, these sporophyte will be covered by the outer layer of involucres and inner layer of the calyptra. So the sporophyte or sporophytic body is mostly differentiated into three parts: foot, seta and capsule. So this is the structure of the sporophyte. The outer layer is the involucre, then at the inner side the calyptra is present, then there is the sporophytic body at the base foot. The central cylindrical part is the seta and the globular part is the capsule, and this capsule is contains the spores and elaters, which is covered by the capsule's walls. Also in the capsule some elatophores are present. So this is the longitudinal sections of the mature sporangium. So let's discuss the one by one part in the sporangium. The first part of the sporophyte is the foot, which is present at the basal or it is basal expansion or portions. Then it is having the conical shapes and which is covered by the involucre, and this foot part these foot parts will helps in the anchoring as well as in absorptions of the material. So this is the basal expansion expanded portion which covered by involucres, and its function is the absorptions and anchorage. The middle part, that is the seta. So the seta is the connects between the capsules with the foota, and it is in white color. Then the third part is the capsule. So capsule is in the globular shapes. It is dark greeny to black in color, and it has two layered jacket that which is called as the capsule wall. These capsules encloses the spores cavity containing the sporogenous cells. So these sporogenous cells are of two types. One is the spore mother cells and elaters. These spore mother cells undergoes meiosis and they produces the spores. Similar way, the elaters or the elaters are the cells which are attached to the floor of the cavity, that is known as the elatophore. So these elatophores are the hygroscopic in nature. These elaters are helps in dehiscence of the capsules and the spore dispersal. So these spores after the dispersions of the spores, these spores will be grow and they forms the new gametophyte, and these haploid spores is end with this sporophytic generation, and again there is the beginning of the gametophytic generation. So in this sporophyte, the sporophytic body is mainly divided into three parts: foot, seta and capsule. Foot is the basal expansion part, and it covered by the involucres, and it helps in anchoring or absorption. Then seta is the middle part, which is white in color, and they can connect the foot and capsules. The capsule it is having in globular shapes. It is dark green to black in color. They are two-layer jacket, which is called capsule walls. These capsules encloses the sporaginous cells. The sporaginous cells forms the two types of cells. One is the spore mother cells and elaters. The spore mother cells after after meiosis they forms the spores, and the elaters are attached to the floor with the help of elatophores. These elaters are the hygroscopic in nature, and they are helping in case of the dehiscence and the dispersals of the spores. So after the dehiscence of the spores will be if these spores form the suitable substratum, they will be grow as a new gametophyte, and after the formation of the new gametophyte, that will be starting the gametophytic generation, and it will be end of the sporophytic generation. So these haploid spores is the end of the sporophytic generation, and it is the beginning of the gametophytic generation. So this is all regarding the asexual reproduction in Pelea or sporophytic generation in Pelea.